Today, I'm going to be making a drink which is a combination of two cooling ingredients. So let's see the recipe for Gond Katira and Saunf ka Sharbat. Gond Katira has a lot of cooling properties. When consumed during the summer, it prevents you from getting a heat stroke and keeps you energized for a very long time. So I have a few crystals here. Take about 4 to 5 crystals. Add around half a cup of water and let this soak overnight in the refrigerator. After 8 to 10 hours, this is how they look. It swells up and becomes like a jelly-like mixture and can be added in any drink of your choice. Let's make the premix for the Saunf Sharbat, for which I'm going to dry out some pudina or mint leaves. So I have here around 1.5 cups of mint leaves that I've washed thoroughly. After washing the leaves, just pat dry them slightly. You can always sun dry them. They tend to become a little dark in color if you sun dry them. So let's put this in the microwave for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, they've slightly wilted. Continue this process for at least a good 2 to 3 minutes till all the leaves dry out. In the grinder, let's add the mint leaves. Next, add in half a cup of fennel seeds or saunf. This is raw. You don't need to roast it. Half a cup of mishri. It's better than adding processed sugar. This also has a lot of cooling properties. 8 to 10 peppercorns. This also has cooling properties and is very good for digestion. 1 tablespoon of chaat masala and 1 tablespoon of black salt. Grind all these ingredients into a fine powder. This premix is ready. Let's fill it up in a jar and you can store it in the refrigerator for at least a good 2 months. And now, after this, I'm going to show you how to make the drink. Add in the premix, about 2.5 tablespoons of this premix. Add in a little bit of water, lemon juice. Give this a good mix to dissolve the powder. Make sure there are no lumps. Next, add in some ice cubes. This is optional. Around 2 tablespoons of the Gond Katira. Water. And give it a stir. 1 glass of this drink is going to rejuvenate you and refresh you for a few hours. I'm sure you're going to love this flavor. So do give it a try because it's made with very simple ingredients, and let me know how it turned out. Subscribe to Rajshri Food. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.